Washing the dishes. That is the soap that I use. When I finish washing the dishes, I go over to the table and clean it off. Then I put away any possible food. The dishes are done and drying out in the rack. I'm cleaning off the table as of now. Today's date is June 4th. Thursday, June 4th, 2020. The time is, I want to say 8:34, something like that. The dishes are done. The table is clean. I am moving on to sweep the floor. Let me grab the broom and the dustpan. Dishes are done. Table is clean. The floor is clean. Well, swept. I just put the broom and the dustpan away. I will mop later on. I'm moving on to the living room. In the hallway, I'm going to vacuum it. Let me grab the vacuum out of this closet here and begin. At this time, it's about 9:15. I had to sit and take a break. I felt like dizzy almost a little bit, but I'm going to mop the floor because of that sticky spot right there, and it needs mopped in general. I am done with the mopping. I'm just going around picking up the mop strings that broke off while I was mopping and little like plastic papers or whatever and throwing it away. Okay. As I stated, Thursday, June 4th, 2020 is the day. June is a busy month for me. Getting ready to wipe down the bathroom mirror from the toothpaste marks and the water splashing or whatnot. Make it clean. Hi guys. Alright. Popping in so I can do my ending credits. Today's video was just clean with me. And what I really... Sorry about that. That's Junior in the background, as you may know. It's what was I saying? Today's video is just a clean with me, and I clean out the kitchen in detail. I will voice over the pictures or whatever, and I clean the carpet and the living room hallway area, and I clean the bathroom mirror. I show you what products I use as I'm cleaning that. What objects I use and stuff like that. I will do a voiceover as I'm getting ready to edit when I cut this off. Right as of now. Okay.
High five.
High five. And that's it. But like my video and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell to know when the rest of my videos are completed. See you guys.